आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आईवी ड्रिप्स के बारे में। आईवी ड्रिप्स बहुत पॉपुलर हो चुकी हैं एंड मोस्ट ऑफ आवर पेशेंट्स डू आस्क अबाउट देयर बेनिफिट्स एंड हाउ दे आर सपोज्ड टू बी यूज्ड। सो टुडे लेट अस टॉक अबाउट व्हाट ऑल कैन आईवी ड्रिप्स अचीव। IV drips क्या हैं? IV drips basically mean a combination of antioxidant, vitamins, trace minerals, which are used for enhancing your hair, your skin, and your overall health. Now, some myths regarding glutathione is that one, instant results आते हैं. So that is something which we need to debunk. Glutathione basically works by decreasing the melanin production. लेकिन ये overnight नहीं होता है. Gradually it's going to decrease the melanin production in your body and आपको skin tone lightening दिखेगी. This is also more common in your hands and your feet before it starts showing results on your face. So you would require at least 2 to 3 sessions of glutathione before you start seeing visible results. Second, ये कि glutathione के results हैं permanent होते हैं. No, these are not permanent and because हम body का एक enzyme production कम कर रहे हैं, the moment we stop glutathione, that is going to revert back to its origin. So, if you want sustained effects, then you have to continue glutathione. This can be achieved by combining oral medications with your IV drips. कि आपने IV drips ले ली 8 to 10 sessions and then we put you on oral supplementation, which can be taken for a prolonged period of time very safely. If you're taking IV drips only for your skin whitening, these might need to be repeated at 1 year. Also, हम बहुत prolonged duration के लिए glutathione देना prefer नहीं करते हैं, so we usually ask the patient to stop after he or she has taken 8 to 10 sessions. Give your body a break and then, if required, resume it after a period of 3 to 4 months. Anything which is more frequent than that can lead to potential side effects. So be very careful, and if you're planning any such thing, be sure that you're going to a doctor and not getting these injections anywhere and everywhere just because they're easily available or they are cheap. Thirdly, what is also important is that you get a good company. जिसमें जिससे आप ले रहे हैं वो एक अच्छी कंपनी का ड्रग होना चाहिए. There are lot of variations available in the market and not all of them are safe or even FDA approved. So anyways, go to a proper doctor when you're thinking of getting such a treatment done, because anything which is going inside your body needs to be safe, needs to be bereft of any side effects, and you should be very careful in choosing the practitioner जिसके पास आप ये IV drips के लिए जा रहे हैं. Overall, this is a very safe procedure, and if you follow certain recommendations, you are going to get the desired benefits out of these IV drips, and they are a good supplement in today's fast world. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us.